Hey, what's up, guys? So on this one, I want to be able to transfer some funds from your spot wallet to futures so that you can be able to start trading futures. So it's gonna be a very easy one, guys. So you just come straight here to wallets here, and then you just go down and then you click futures, and then you're just going to get here. Once it just load up, and then once you get here, guys, it's very easy for you. You just come here, okay. So once you get here, and then you just come onto transfer, and then it's going to get you onto this one. So as you can see here, there's USDT. So it's going to ask you how much do you want to put in. So I have about 59.0.4, as you can see. So I just want to put in about $10 into here. So I don't want to put everything. So let's put about 15 USDT. All right, so we're just going to confirm this. Right, as you can see here, transfer is successful. So it's as easy as that, guys, as you can see them. So here you can see the total balance is about 15.0045 USDT. So now you are able to start trading futures. So as you can see, guys, futures, you have to be very careful. You can lose all your money when you trade here. So you have to have a little bit of some experience, and you have a plan when you actually come and get here when you start trading. So you don't just make trades, because you will get rug pulled, and then you definitely have your money lost. So you just have to come here with a plan so that you can actually make some money. So make sure you keep on watching. I'm going to come and give you some plans so that you can actually come here and start trading, and then you get some money, guys. So make sure you subscribe so that I can see you on the next one. So this is going to be a ciao. Thanks for watching.